Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're talking about a very important real-life topic, conversations at the doctor.
Yes, this is one of those situations where people suddenly forget all their English.
Exactly. You can watch English movies confidently at home, but the moment a doctor asks, what seems to be the problem, your brain stops working.
So true.
And honestly, when people are sick, nervous, or tired, it becomes even harder to speak clearly.
That's why today we'll teach you simple and natural English you can actually use at the doctor's office.
We'll cover useful sentences, common mistakes, real-life conversations, and a mini practice section too.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe to Master English Channel, like this video, and comment below, "I'm learning real English."
Let's start with the first situation, arriving at the clinic or hospital.
A receptionist may ask, "Do you have an appointment?"
And you can answer, "Yes, I have an appointment at 5 p.m.
Or, "No, I need to see a doctor."
Another useful sentence is, "I'm not feeling well."
Very common sentence.
And very natural.
Now let's move to the doctor's room.
The place where people suddenly become very brave until they see a needle.
Daniel is definitely one of those people.
Listen, I'm emotionally strong, just not needle strong.
Fair enough.
So the doctor might ask, what seems to be the problem?
Or, what symptoms do you have?
Then you explain your problem simply.
For example, I have a headache.
I have a fever.
My throat hurts.
I've been coughing for 2 days.
I feel dizzy.
These are short, simple, and natural sentences.
You don't need difficult English to communicate clearly.
Exactly. In real life, simple English works best.
Let's do a short conversation example.
All right.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday evening.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, not yet.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Very realistic conversation.
And honestly, most doctor conversations are usually short and direct.
Yeah, real doctors don't speak like movie characters.
Imagine a doctor saying, "Your destiny depends on this medicine."
Meanwhile, real doctors are like, drink more water and sleep early.
Exactly.
Now, let's learn some important medical vocabulary.
Headache,
Fever,
cough,
cold,
sore throat,
stomachache,
back pain,
allergy,
medicine.
prescription.
Very useful daily English words.
Especially for travelers or international students.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Very important section.
Mistake number 1. I have pain in head.
The natural sentence is, I have a headache.
Another mistake, I am having fever.
Correct sentence, I have a fever.
Here's another common mistake. My body is paining.
That sounds unnatural in English.
Better sentence, my body hurts. Or, I have body pain.
Small changes make your English sound much more natural.
Exactly.
Also, many learners are afraid of speaking because they think their grammar must be perfect.
But communication is more important than perfection.
Absolutely.
If your English is simple but clear, people will understand you.
Confidence matters a lot.
Now let's do a mini practice section.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
I'm not feeling well.
I have a headache.
I've been coughing for 3 days.
Do I need any medicine?
How often should I take this medicine?
Should I take it before or after meals?
Thank you, doctor.
Great job.
Repeating these sentences daily will help your spoken English improve naturally.
And don't just listen silently. Speak out loud.
Yes, your mouth needs practice too.
Exactly. Many people only practice English in their mind.
Then when it's time to speak, the words disappear.
It's like learning swimming only by watching YouTube videos.
That's actually true.
At some point, you have to jump into the water,
Even if you make mistakes.
especially if you make mistakes.
Very true.
Mistakes are part of learning any language.
Before we end, let's do one final real-life conversation.
Let's do it.
Hello, doctor. I haven't been sleeping well lately.
How long has this been happening?
For about a week.
Are you feeling stressed these days?
Yes, a little.
Stress can affect sleep. Try to rest more and avoid using your phone late at night.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Very natural conversation again.
And very relatable for many people these days.
Definitely.
Life becomes busy, stressful, and tiring sometimes.
That's why health is so important.
Because without good health, everything becomes harder.
So take care of yourself. Rest properly, drink water, and don't ignore your health.
And keep practicing your English every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Master English channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Also, comment below. What English topic should we cover next?
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next episode.